Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 4 of distance learning. Today is Sunday, the 12th. I won't be on the screen as I will be going through a couple of things by PowerPoint. So let's start off straight away, firstly, with a massive happy Easter to those families who are celebrating the occasion. We hope you have an exciting day, and there may be some little brain teasers for those of you in class today, so keep an eye out for those. A couple of things. One, firstly, is a thank you to everybody who has came back with feedback on the well-being survey. That was greatly appreciated. Some interesting answers to some of the questions, which I'd like to just go through now. One, firstly, is I'm really delighted to hear that many of you do feel well supported. And again, just throughout the entire distance learning process, if there are certain things that you're not sure about, or you do have concerns, or you don't feel supported, please speak to your homeroom teachers, please speak to your classroom teachers, your division leads, Miss Nyborg, myself, Mr. Major. We are certainly all here to help you. Another question that I thought was really interesting at this stage was how many hours many of you are doing daily after school, and quite a few of you are saying 3 hours plus, up to 5 hours plus daily after school doing work. We want to obviously get that balance right. So we'll look at the next couple of slides of what we're going to do to get that balance right. Another one here was about how many hours many of you are getting of sleep per night. So many of you are stating that you are going to bed between 11, 12, maybe perhaps even later, some of you. So just carefully think about how many hours you are getting of sleep. I would say 7 hours is important to make sure that you are ready and refreshed for the next day. This will vary from person to person, but again, just think about how you're winding down, and maybe perhaps you're getting away from your phone, and just so that you are refreshing your mindset, so you are ready for the next day of learning. Okay, so just to tackle what I said earlier about getting the balance right, so how much work you're doing outside of school time. And obviously we are aware you are looking at the screen for quite a long time. So what we have done is we've tweaked our home learning matrix so you have a staggered approach to when you can expect tasks, homework, or assignments in. So for example, if you're grade 6 to 8, in maths, you might expect work to be handed in on Thursday. And what you can see here is on a Thursday, well, Islamic studies and maths are the only two subjects that would be due on that day. So your Wednesday night, you'll know that actually you're not expected to be doing possibly a task for English, science, or any other subjects, but you can see that here. Okay, so hopefully this will really help with your juggling of getting the balance right, and that's really important for us. Your specialist teachers, still at this stage, we've said very much they should not be setting any work, and they know they're obviously not, but please try to get that work done during class time. That's really important. And then you can see at the bottom of this are typical guided home learning hours for students, how much time you should be spending. Yes, we do expect secondary students to be doing work outside of class time. So typically grade 6 to 8, you should be spending at least 1 hour a day, during the school week. So here you have a grade 9 to 10 schedule. Okay, same things apply. And then obviously those of you following the US curriculum, grade 11 and 12, here's a schedule here. And then for those on the IB pathway, here is the breakdown of the schedule there. So please have a look at that. If you're doing the hybrid approach, please obviously you'll be marrying a little bit of the two, but again, it'll be discussions with your teachers, and that's really important. So hopefully this will help your overall well-being and just having some balance back in your lives. Okay. A couple of things to note. Ramadan, many of you have been asking hours about that. We're still waiting for guidance from the KHDA about when those hours actually will be. Naturally, they will be less, and we believe they will start on the 23rd, 24th of April, about that time. But that, again, is all to be confirmed. Second point here is on Monday, the 27th of April, we're expecting our Progress 2 reports to go out. So many of your staff members at the moment probably have been doing loads of different assessments and just checking your progress in regards to your learning. So that report will go out on that day. And lastly, International Day is something that we've not forgotten about, and we really want to still celebrate it because there are so many amazing different cultures we have at the Collegiate American School. So we're going to have a virtual International Day on the 30th of April please look out for more information about that. There'll be fun and exciting challenges and all sorts of different things planned for that day. Please speak to your homeroom teacher. So look out for that. That is it for me today. Have a fantastic week. Have an excellent Easter. Excellent Easter for those of you celebrating. Have a great day. Have a good week ahead. Thank you. Take care.